Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stalker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In today's 2-minute Linux tip, we're going to look at a command you may never have heard of. It's called log save, and it allows you to selectively add command output to a file. The syntax is very simple. It's log save followed by the name of the log you want to store data in and the command that you want to run. With no additional command options, log save will overwrite any prior file content. If you want to append a file instead of overwriting it, use the -A option. If we look at the file at this point, we'll see the output from both of these commands along with the timestamps. If you want to add content while you're working, you might consider setting up an alias like this one. Then you simply precede any command whose output you want to save with SV. At this point, we have the output from both of those commands, the one to find empty files and the one to wave goodbye in our mylog file. Well, that's your 2-minute Linux tip for today. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.